9 car engines that will break your bank and heart. Not all engines are built to last. Some are notorious for breaking down before they even hit 39,000 miles. Today we're exposing the worst offenders. The 9 least reliable car engines that die before 35,000 miles, turning dream cars into pits. If you value long-term reliability, this is the list you can't afford to miss. The last one may surprise you. Let's get into it. Engine number 1, the fragile Saab 2.0 and 2.3 turbo 1990 to 2010. The Saab 2.0 and 2.3 turbo engines are all about speed and excitement, but let's be honest, they spend too much time in the garage. One big problem is heat management. The front of the engine block tends to overheat, and the turbocharger's poor insulation makes things worse. All that heat can push the crankshaft bearings out of place, leading to serious engine damage. You also experience oil sludge issues. These engines are prone to buildup, so regular oil changes are a must. You cannot afford to skip the changes. You'll be looking at some expensive repairs. Yes, these engines offer a fun ride, but the maintenance demands are no joke. For many owners, the Saab 2.0 and 2.3 turbo engines don't make it anywhere near 39,000 miles without major problems. Engine number 2, Nissan's 1.5 and 1.8 QG, surprising Japanese miss. Nissan's 1.5-liter and 1.8-liter QG engines used from 1999 to 2006 are a surprising miss for Japanese engineering. While most Japanese engines are durable and use timing chains to cut maintenance, these models don't live up to the standard. The main problem, excessive oil consumption. These engines burn oil fast, over 1 liter per 1,000 kilometers, sometimes even 1.5 liters. With an oil sump that holds less than 3 liters, it's only a matter of time before major engine failure strikes. The culprit is wear-prone piston rings, a flaw that makes these engines unreliable. Nissan will replace many under warranty, but beyond that, options are limited. Repairs are expensive and often not worth the trouble. Engine number 3, the gambling Volkswagen 1.2 TSI timing chain system. The VW 1.2 TSI petrol engine, found in many Volkswagen Group vehicles, might seem like a good choice until you take a closer look. One of its biggest flaws is the timing chain system. These engines are touted as reliable for the long haul, but the reality differs for many owners. Timing chain tension or failures often strike early, anywhere between 20,000 and 40,000 miles, and it doesn't stop there. Over time, the timing chain itself is prone to stretching. This leads to significant engine damage and repair costs that can quickly spiral out of control. With such critical issues appearing so early, this engine feels like a gamble. The good news, Volkswagen offers plenty of other engines that are far more dependable. Engine number 4, Alfa Romeo 2.0, twin-spark 16-Ver, iconic mechanical nightmare. The Alfa Romeo 2.0 twins, Park 16-valve engine, produced from 1995 to 2010, is as temperamental as it is iconic. Loved by enthusiasts for its character, it's also notorious for being fragile and requiring constant care. This engine thrives on perfect maintenance. High-quality oil and regular changes are non-negotiable. Neglect these, and you're likely to face major issues sooner than you think. Cold starts are another weak point. The twin spark needs to warm up gently. Push it too hard with quick acceleration in the morning, and you could be looking at a costly breakdown. For Alfa fans, the twin spark offers charm and performance, but it's not forgiving. If you rush it or skimp on care, it won't make it to 39,000 miles without trouble. Owning one requires patience and attention. Otherwise, that stylish Alfa could turn into a mechanical nightmare. Engine number 5, short-lived confidence in GM, 2.4-liter Quad 4. This engine was meant to be a game-changer for Pontiac Grand Am and Buick Skylark models. But when it comes to reliability, it falls short, especially for long-term ownership. One major problem is the oil change monitor system. It claims to track oil life accurately, but it often misses the mark. Owners who wait for the system to signal a change can end up with engine trouble. To keep things running smoothly, it's better to change the oil sooner, around 30% remaining according to the system. Unfortunately, the GM 2.4-liter quad-4 engine doesn't deliver much confidence when it comes to durability. It lacks the power and toughness of bigger engines, making you question, can it really go the distance? Engine number 6, 3.6-liter Pentastar 5, 6 chaos and electrical failure. One major issue with the 3.6-liter Pentastar 5.6 engine is the Totally Integrated Power Module, or TIPM, found in the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. The TIPM module is the brain behind nearly all electrical functions. It controls the fuel pumps, power windows, headlights, and even the throttle. But when the TIPM fails, and it often does, chaos follows. Your car might refuse to start, or even your radio could go silent. Fixing it isn't cheap either. Replacement plus repairs can set you back around $1,500. Another common complaint is the failure of the throttle position sensor. Once this happens, expect a poor throttle response and unpredictable performance. Wranglers also demand more maintenance than your average car. On top of engine and transmission oil changes, you must regularly service the transfer case and differentials. Skip these and the repairs can add up fast. Engine number 7, the 5.3-liter Ecotec 3 V8. This car might look like the perfect family SUV, but there's a serious problem under the hood. The lifters in the engine are a major design flaw, and they've caused headaches for thousands of owners. Here's the issue. Weak plastic keepers hold the lifters in place. When these keepers break, the lifters move out of position and damage the camshaft. As the camshaft gets chewed up, tiny metal pieces spread through the engine. These pieces clog the oil pump pickup screen and cut off the oil flow. Soon you have engine failure. It doesn't stop there. Fixing this problem comes with a hefty price tag, often exceeding $4,000. Older GM engines like the SB350 were built to last, but the 5.3-liter Ecotec 3 V8 feels far from durable. It's hard not to think GM is more focused on selling cars than building vehicles that stand the test of time. Engine number 8, 1.5 liters or 2.0 liters, EcoBoost can of worms. This engine is used in the Ford models. Unfortunately, it's plagued with problems that make it a questionable choice. Many Ford owners, especially Ford Bronco Sport, describe the engine as a whole can of worms. Critical parts have already failed for many and led to recalls. Rattling is a common complaint, often caused by low-grade fuel or oil leaks. These leaks are more than just a nuisance. They could lead to engine fires. Some owners have reported that their engines failed to start even after Ford replaced the engine under warranty twice. The engine often shudders, especially at lower speeds like 40 miles per hour or below. It struggles to keep up, and you'll feel it most when braking, where the RPMs can spike to 3,000 before the car stops. Dealerships may brush this off as characteristic of the vehicle, but the sporadic nature of these issues proves otherwise. These aren't quirks. Their flaws qualify it among the least reliable car engines. Finally, number 9 is the Toyota 4GR-FS EV6 engine. The Lexus IS 2504 GR-FSE engine is a cautionary tale for drivers expecting bulletproof reliability. Known for Toyota's solid reputation, this engine unfortunately has some serious flaws. Here's why it's made the least reliable car engines list. Carbon buildup on the intake valves reduces power and throttle response. That's just the beginning. The weak timing chain tensioner causes clatter, clogged injectors disrupt idling, and early oil consumption wears out piston rings quickly. Worse still, some early models suffer cracked cylinder heads. Repair costs? Replacing piston rings runs $1,500 to $2,500, while fixing a cracked cylinder head can hit $1,200 to $4,800. Experts point to poor lubrication, low-quality fuel tolerance, and manufacturing faults. Plus, the high compression ratio causes excess heat, which only makes things worse. Reliability can make or break a car, and these engines are proof of that. With fragile parts and costly failures, they're nothing short of nightmares. So if you're in the market for a car, steer clear of these 9 ticking time bombs or risk breaking down well before 39,000 miles.